Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So this video is going to be about the, ooh, it's upside down. The Orange You Glad palette from ColourPop here. I'm going to be doing swatches, this eye look if you guys are interested. Keep on watching. Okay, so here are the colors in the palette. Okay, and then I also got with the bundle this eyeliner, the brown mascara, and this, I think this is an eyeliner in the shade Puppy. Let's see if this one has a shade. Yeah, these are all in the shade Puppy. So all the orange shades are Puppy, and then this one is in the shade Brownie Points. And that retailed for like $20 something. It doesn't say on my receipt, as you can see. And I also got these two eyeliners, one in like a navy blue and then a nude stick. So let's go ahead and do the swatches. So we have Zested, Squeeze Me, Creamsicle, and ooh, Rise and Grind. Oh wow, that last one, holy cow. Okay, then we have Clementine, Sunkissed, Tangerine Dreams, Mimosa Mommy. Damn. And the last one is Ya Peel Me. Those are the swatched shades. It just dawned on me that you guys might want to see the eyeliner stick shade swatched. So I'm just going to swatch that really quick. This is the, ooh. That's actually really bright. Here we go. That's that one. And let's see if I can get this opened. That's what that looks like. So they're, I mean, they're the same thing. I'm not going to swatch this one just because, I mean, it's the same color. Let's dig into this palette. I'm really loving the orangey tones in here. I love warm tones. So, I mean, you give me a warm tone palette and I'm happy to go. I've never really worn bright oranges, so let's see how bright these actually play out. I'm gonna go in with this shade. I'm gonna lay down, and then this is gonna be my first transition shade there. And let's see. So the shade Zested. I'm just gonna lay that down all over my lid. So Zested is this really pale, almost skin tone color. So if you don't normally set your eyes with setting powder, you can go ahead and use this shade. I think would be perfect to set down any primer because it's not really dark and it's not that pigmented. I mean, like, you can't even tell that I even added anything. Now the next shade I'm gonna go in with is this shade right here in Creamsicle. I'm using the same fluffy brush, and I'm going to add that towards the brow bone area. I'm gonna go in with the shade next, Sunkissed, on the same fluffy brush. Tap up a little bit. And I'm just going to start adding that gradient. Then I'm going to clean my brush once more. I'm going to go back in with Creamsicle just to help bring back that color a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in Mimosa. on this. It's still fluffy, but it's just a little more dense. I'm gonna focus that. I'm trying to find out where, because of my eye shape. Rise and grind to start deepening the crease area. And now I'm going to focus the last color, which is this really dark Ya Peel Me shade. And I'm going to focus it mainly on the outer corner to midway. Yeah, I like the shade. I just feel like it needs to be darker. Like even with the yellow palette, which I'll leave a card up top so you can see that video. But that palette needed a darker color as well. The color choices were great, don't get me wrong, like I liked it, but I felt to make the look pop more, or even to be more dramatic, to take it from day to night, for example, there needed to be more deeper shades. Like even this one, it may look deep, but it's too close to the other shades. I mean, you could see, like, you know. And I'm not gonna use another palette. I'm just gonna stick with this one. So now that I have that color laid down, I'm gonna go and try to blend out the outer corner a little bit with a slightly fluffy brush, not too fluffy. So I'm gonna go in with the shade right here, Tangerine Dreams. And I'm gonna focus that on the middle portion of my eye. Because it's really pretty, but I feel like it could be lower. I'm gonna spray it. Get some spray. Oh yeah, there we go. Much better. As I kind of like this out of halo. I do. Kind of like it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this to like this. I don't know. I'm feeling this look. I really am. So I'm going to add the darker shade on my inner corner as well. They have this glitter. For the Clementine, the middle shade right there. And I'm gonna try using my pinky to just add that on. I mean, I like the glitter, but I don't like the way it's applying. So I'm gonna go in with this brush and pray that it goes on the way I want. It did a little bit. Oh, I don't know. I don't know, this one, in the yellow palette I didn't have that much difficulty, but granted I did have a larger area to work with, but I just wanted a little bit anyway, so I'm good with that. Really quick, I'm going to dust off the powder, put the rest of my makeup on, and then we'll come back to do the bottom lash line and finish up the eye look. Okay, so I did everything else. I threw on some mascara. I did try the one that it came with in the shade Brownie Points. It's very subtle, I'm still gonna put on lashes and stuff, but I just wanted to throw that in there. I think I'm gonna go in with Rise and Grind, which is this muted color right here. I will be adding the brown mascara to the bottom lash line. Video that I did with my son. I forgot to mention he did want like 100 likes, and then he'll do like another video. So if we can get that video, which I will leave like a little something up here to get it to 100 likes, you know, show him some love and use it. Squeeze Me, which is this shade right here. And we're gonna, on a dry brush, I'm just gonna, so I'm gonna go in with this orange eyeliner here that I got with my bundle in the shade Puppy. And I'm gonna add that to my waterline. I'm going to throw on some lashes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes, some earrings, and yeah, so this is my finished look. I feel like instead of a matte lip, I'm gonna add some gloss on top just because, I don't know. This is the finished look with this palette here. I really like that they were more vibrant on the eyes than they appeared on the palette. They blended pretty well. Again, the only drawback that I have for this palette and all the little palettes, I believe, they don't have a deep enough shade to really give your eye dimension, to really deepen it up, add drama, you know, to add that little oomph. They have deeper shades like this one here, but I felt like they have this deep shade here. And yeah, it deepened it up, but if I wanted, I don't know, and it was too much of an orangey tone and too much, this shade is way too close to the other shades. It needed to be a lot, at least like 2 shades darker, at least. But that's the only negative thing that I have to say about this palette. This palette was very good. I liked it. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I hope you guys like my little look that I created. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a like, throw a comment down below if you've tried ColourPop, if you've tried this palette, if you're looking to get this palette or any of the other ones that go with the colors, you know what I'm saying? And if you have not already, subscribe to my channel, you guys. Join this family. Do not forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of future content. Ugh, oh my god, I can't talk today. Ugh. But yeah, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.